beats. Shaka on the beats. Shaka on the beats.
What's going on, man? Welcome back to another video with your boy Fatkat, of course, bringing you another one as always, man. We out here at Oasis Lounge. Oasis Lounge right here. There you go, right there. We got Oasis Lounge, man. Like I said, over here at Gabe's event. He's doing a good cause, man. It's a back to the school drive, supplies and all that good stuff for the kids. So you see they're all in the back of his van, right, or his truck right there, man. They're doing, but got a bunch of school supplies and all that, so I brought some down with me. Man, it's a good vibe over here, man. It's at a hookah lounge. A lot of people out there, man. If you see all those people back there, look at that, man. Got a bunch of people back there, man. We're gonna walk over there right now in a little bit. Go check everybody out. You got Gabe right there, man. There you go, one of the unique girls. Yeah, man. So good stuff, man. So good vibes out here, man. Got a couple subscribers here as well, man. They came up to me, they was like, yo, what's going on, man? We see you watch your videos all the time, so that's dope. So yeah, man, it's pretty dope out. Like I said, we're gonna walk around here in a little bit, man. Go check out what's going on. I know it's kind of dark outside, obviously, so hopefully we can still get some good lighting and everything else, man. But let's walk around a little bit, man, check out what's going on. You can see they already going stupid over there. So he said, what's your name? Alex, man. So Alex said there's yellow charge over there. You guys can see behind the people. He said he said that was his favorite one, man. He said he said until I pulled up, man, and it was a wrap and it was over, man. Nah, but it's all good though, man. They got a lot of dope cars out here, man. Look at this. Look at that. Whew. Yeah, man. The red one? That's dope, man. You gonna lower it?
That's what everybody keeps saying.
Hey, man, because it is. Nah, what? You like it city high? It's on monster truck status right now, bro. You gotta put that down. You gotta lower that. Yeah, I like that red though, man.
Yeah, the tour red.
Yeah. As a matter of fact, my other guy, he got the Hellcat. He gonna be out there tomorrow too. He got a tour red Hellcat on bags.
Nice.
So he sit on the floor.
Where you gonna be at?
And my meet tomorrow. I got a meet going on tomorrow. Like I'm putting on a meet myself.
I gotta work tomorrow.
Yeah.
What time?
11 o'clock.
Yeah, I'll be driving.
11 to 2. Yeah. So by the time this video come out, they're gonna be confused because it's already passed. But yeah, man, that's what's up, man. So you could put it's not a 19. So he put that grill on it. So you could put the grill on it. What's good, bro? Chilling, man.
Yes, sir.
What's up?
Hey.
I heard. I pulled up. He was like, yeah, came over Cindy. I was like, oh, Cindy gets out here?
Man,
Yeah, Cindy can be pulling up. You dropped that pin, and what happened?
You already know 50 gonna pop up. No, 50 gonna pop up for you.
I be seeing that. He say, oh, what's up, bro? Good, chilling, bro. Yeah, he was like, you dropped that pin. You know what's up, huh? I see you. I be seeing y'all.
Hey, we got the little Duval Tom G.
I seen that. I seen that.
Oh, we got a lot of love out there, man. Like I was real surprised, like how much the city really came out and enjoyed us.
Yeah, that's what's
like,
up, bro.
Everybody was like dapping us up, like, oh, this cool.
Yeah.
Like, it was a good look, man.
That was up.
Yeah.
So I'm going to put you on the spot on film. So y'all showing up tomorrow?
Huh?
Y'all showing up tomorrow?
What's tomorrow?
My meet that I told you about.
Oh.
I'm doing the meet.
Oh, and 8?
No. It's in Margaritaville.
Where?
In Kissimmee.
What time?
11 o'clock.
11?
11 to 2.
Let me.
Man, I sent that to you.
You did, bro. You did.
Come on now.
You did. Let me see what we gonna do. Let me see.
11 to 2.
I already got my people already up there, so if I can get all my 10 people, I at least have my 10 people out there.
Well, hey, 11 to 2 o'clock, man. It's my meet that I'm doing
And it's
myself.
11 to 2?
11 to 2.
11 to 2.
So early day. So it's a Sunday, but it's an early day. I did it like that, so everybody, could go home and get ready for work on Monday, not be out super late and everything else.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be a dope event, man. I got people coming from Mississippi, people coming from the Carolinas.
Mississippi, nah.
There you go, bro. There you go, man. There you go, man.
That's
what's up.
Have a presence out there, man. Gotta show you love.
That's what's up. But are you showing up?
I'm I'm gonna try my best to get out.
Oh, that sounds like a no to me. I got you on film too. I got you on camera too. I got you on camera too. Nah, that's what's up though, man. Yeah, but it's a meet I'm putting on my first one, man. So I greatly appreciate all the support. Like I said, it's the YouTube meet / car meet. So it's a YouTube meet. So a lot of people come down, you know, just to show love and everything else, show support and all that good stuff. So the only way I see anything like that, not, you know, anything ruining is the rain.
It's the weather.
And hopefully that, you know, but you
doing it a good time though. Like that 11 to 2 range has been pretty good. It ain't really
exactly.
up until late after.
But you know, like I tell everybody on my YouTube channel, bro, Florida is unpredictable, man.
Hella unpredictable.
But it's all good though, man. Hey, this is a good turnout out here, man. I'm surprised. That's what's up. So you fuck with Gabe?
We just like got put on with Unique. Like I didn't really know too much until they.
That means you don't watch my videos, man.
No, you told me personally that you did your work with them, but I never like really seeked it out until they reached out. Then I started checking out.
They do all my work, man. Gabe a good dude.
They do some legit work. Hey, I was on their page last month. I seen the rap that they did on the Mustang.
That's my guy. He's my subscriber.
Word.
And he went to him because you know he watched my videos, so you know Unique.
Cause they did that Lambo too with that emoji on the hood, right?
I don't know about the Lambo.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I don't know about the Lambo. But yeah, but that Mustang, yeah, because that guy is out of he's not even in the country.
For real?
He work out of the country, and because you know he subscribed to me, watched my videos and all that, he was like, yo, is Unique really straight? And I'm like, yeah, they are. He was like, all right, I'm sending my car over there. So right by Raymond James Stadium.
Okay.
Not too far.
Not too far from that.
Yeah.
That ain't too bad, man.
Yeah, man.
Check them out, man, cause they did your cats too, right?
Just finished chopping it up with the syndicate, man. Dude, Alex right there. Cool dude, man. Yeah, man. Look at this. Came out with the Jeeps and everything. Look at that. Woo. Dope event, man. Dope. A lot of people came out. Show love out here, man. Gabe's little shindig, man. It's getting dark over here. Man, y'all chilling in the dark over here, huh? What y'all plotting, man? What y'all plotting, man? Gotta watch y'all. Yeah, man. But it's all good though, man. Look at this. Whew. Oh, you got the Ferraris and stuff parked up in the back. Look at that. Posted up in the back, man. They didn't move these things to the front. Ain't no way these things should be in the back. Look at that, man. Ferraris posted up. Man. Mercedes. What's that? Oh, that's an NSX over there. Right? Looks like, no, is that an NSX or Corvette? Oh, that's a Lotus. Yeah, man. Got another Lambo right here. God, I need to give me a Lambo, man. This is the Gallardo, man. It still look good. Yeah. Oh, don't be afraid. You can come by. It's okay. You can come by.
The last time we did like this, on 415 soon.
Is this your truck? Okay. You got 415s in there.
Yeah, I will soon. I have 115 right now. Sundown Star.
Okay. I see that.
Walking up, talking that shit. Hey, me and my niggas like bitch, please. I ain't gang banging, I'm a gang member. Love for my blood and the rest get the middle finger.
Okay. I see you.
Pussy nigga fraud,
Hey,
you
doing
ain't
big
hard,
things.
hard. You can get a nigga old head, long bread, chilling in them
look at
sitting
this.
back. Feet up, living good, really in them kicking back. Working straight to getting back. Button pushing, pitching back. Stuffing up
Look
the
at that
duffel with the
starlight.
hustle, nigga, give me that. Nah, really give me that. Green time getting fat. Multiply the paperback. Gorilla, I'm a silverback. My mama
Good stuff. Looking good. Oh, you got more stuff in the front?
I'm a finished nigga, remember that. I've been selling dope since the 10th grade. Nothing but haters over this. Hey, walking up, talking that shit. Hey, me and my niggas like bitch. Hey, I've been selling dope since the 10th grade. Nothing but haters over this. Way, walking up, talking that shit. Hey, me and my niggas like bitch. Plays.
Can you guys read that? Let's get riggedy wrecked.
Fucking send it, man. Soon to come.
That's what's up. There you go, man. Yeah, man. How y'all doing? How you guys doing? You too. What you guys think about this little Night Rider light that's going on right here, man? This Charger. What y'all think about that? I thought about doing something like that, but I was like, might be a little bit too much. You guys tell me. What y'all think? Yeah, man, look at all those people. How you doing? This thing is nasty right here.
Outside and it's press buttons. Got that nigga mad cause your bitch fucking. Fuck it, ice trader again. 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 Ice trader again.
Man, let me get these school supplies out of here for Gabe. Put these school supplies up in here for Gabe, man. Go. Yeah, man, it's a dope vibe, man. Like I said, a lot of dope people out here hanging out, man. Gabe over here smoking hookahs, all that good stuff, man. Okay.
What's up, Fatkat?
What's good?
Come, man. Thank you.
Nah, of course, man. Always gotta show love, man. Support. I put my school supplies in the back of your thing too.
Appreciate it, man. Thank
you. Of course. You know what I'm saying?
Somebody's got a skill, I guess it's part of mine. Try to run. Yeah. Like, he knows all the graphic design shit, stuff like that. You're always good to part of somebody who's got a skill.
Got to come through this motherfucker on the Tony play. Put them damn buttons on the 600 feet. I know niggas won't play down south. So what you talking about? A nigga got a whole bunch of diamonds in his mouth. I'm about to spit the game to a young fucker.
Keep going. Get that thing clean, man. Shit clean, bro. Shit clean. How's everything?
Good. Hellcat, what's going on, man?
What's up, bro?
Doing all right?
Yeah, chilling, man, out here. In this goddamn 155-degree weather at nighttime, this shit don't make no goddamn sense. Lord, to kill it.
Yeah,
boy, can't get used to it either, man.
Nah, it don't matter. You got long sleeves, though.
I mean, you know, I try to put them up, but shit.
It don't matter.
Yeah, it don't matter at all, man.
You gonna put it regardless. Yeah, if it's a tank top, it's on. That's what I'm
That's where you seen him from. I knew he was famous. That's right.
The Charger wide body.
Yeah. Ice Blue.
You did your resonator and all that.
Yep.
I saw all that.
Yeah. I'm sorry you subscribed though.
Yeah.
You are. All right. Cool. Is he lying?
Yeah, I was telling her.
Okay. Have a good night. Got kind of close to my freaking car. Alright, man, I am done. Just I was inside chilling for a little bit with them. I am done. Man, crazy night, man. people out here going crazy, man. Got a lot of supplies in the back of his truck right here, his little XB. I gotta get into Christine now. Got a Scat Pack logo, look at that. Ooh. Yeah, man, but that's it, man. Done for tonight. Gotta go. By the time you guys see this, you guys already be done the did the meet and everything else, man. But this is the night before the meet, so I gotta go home, get ready, you know, whatever, all that good stuff, man. Wake up early, go out there, make sure everything's good to go, man. So hopefully, well, this is talking in past tense, right? Because again, this has already happened, so hopefully it's a good event and all that good stuff, man. But anyway, other than that, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, man. Dope people, man. Oh shit, my light turned off. Dope people, man. Dope, you know, dope event. This was a good cause, man, for you know, back to school drive, you know what I'm saying, getting school supplies and all that good stuff for the kids and all that, man. So can't be, you know, have a better cause than that, man. Anyway, that's it for me. Again, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, man. Whew, been a long day, long night, man. Got a lot of stuff done though. Of course, man, I always appreciate you, man. Appreciate all the love that you guys been giving me. Love and support, man. It's greatly appreciated, man. It's definitely felt. Cannot thank you guys enough, man. Anyway, other than that, appreciate you guys again for rocking with me, rocking with the channel for most and foremost. And other than that, man, we'll see you guys on the next one, man. Later.